Hi, thank you so much for viewing. Welcome to the video. This is Vijaya. Today I'm going to talk about home ownership versus renting. First thing I would like to say about home ownership is always buy a home 20 to 30% less than what you can afford. For instance, if you can afford a home for $1,500 a month, buy a home for $1,200 a month. That's going to put you in a better position to do what it takes to pay your home off early. That being said, we're going to go over the graph, which is going to be coming up shortly. The home worth $300,000 at 6%. Probably going to be $1,500 a month. 30 years will be $540,000. If you pay that one payment per year to principal only, you will cut off about 8 years, and your home would be $420,000. It probably will be valued at $400,000, and you will be $400,000 ahead of renting. In renting, you will have nothing. Someone else will have it. And so it's very important to understand, that renting is not the way to build wealth. Home ownership is always purchase it lower than you can afford. Number one, then always pay one payment per year. Okay, so next we're going to discuss the renting and how much it will cost you over the 30 years. So renting over 30 years gonna cost you, so this is all average numbers, about $636,000. And as I said, you will have zero value. Only your landlord will build their value. So with renting, that's what happened. And most people are not going to tell you this because they want you to remain their client or their tenant. And that's the way that the rich people build wealth, is they buy hundreds, even thousands of apartments to rent out so they can make money off of you. But be smart and buy your own home. Now, you can see $636,000 in the graph over 30 years, and you will have zero value. The next thing I want to say is, if you decide to rent all your life, you will probably pay, which would be about 60 years of renting, you would probably pay $1.1 million of your income. And that is sad because most people only make $1.5 million. And a third of that is probably going to go to taxes. So definitely you will probably be paying about 60 to 70% of your gross income in rent if you decide to rent all of your life. And so then you will have zero value, and you will have nothing to pass to your children or your family. Your work, someone else would have profited off of your work. when you rent all of your life. So the best thing is to be a homeowner, and be a homeowner at less than the house that you can afford. So always look for something less than what you could afford. Always pay it off early to continue to be able to save money. And that is going to put you on the level of having a $700,000 or $800,000 in wealth by the time you retire. So I'm at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stop and rewind if you miss anything. And I appreciate you all tuning in. And you can see that homeownership is the better choice by 60%. Thank you so much again. Well, probably about 80%. Have a great day.